Ni hao. My name is Mariah, and I am a part of Group H, Teatanic. And my group members are Salma, Cordellia, Thuy, and Laika. And we will be presenting tea cultivation practices in different countries. Our presentation will have about 5 slides: a title slide, a history slide, a tea cultivation practices slide, an adaptation to climate change slide, and a conclusion slide. And the 3 countries that we will be discussing are Taiwan, Indonesia, and Vietnam. To begin with, we will introduce the history of tea cultivation in each of these countries and how tea production evolved in each of these countries. And then we will discuss the landscape and weather unique to each of these countries and how it affects tea production. And then we will be discussing the popular farming practices, both modern and traditional practices, and how they are intertwined. For example, the Taiwanese traditionally pick tea leaves by hand, but in modern day, tea harvesting machines are used for efficiency. And then we will segue into adaptation and mitigation methods for climate change. So climate change is an increasingly concerning problem for tea producers, and it's responsible for the diminishing output of many different types of tea. Therefore, many modern cultivation techniques are required specifically to combat the consequences of climate change. And then for our conclusion, we will compare and contrast the practices amongst each of the countries. And we will show both differences and similarities between tea cultivation in Taiwan, Indonesia, and Vietnam. Thank you so much. We look forward to presenting our group project.